So today I want to inform you about our latest Kyocera product, the hydro chucks. So tool holding is an important point that unfortunately is often overlooked, and we know that Kyocera has got very good cutting tools, and so we want to utilize the full potential of the tool and the accuracy of the machine. So this is why Kyocera now offers high quality tool holders for all your production needs. Then let me show you the topics of the agenda of the presentation. So first of all, I will explain you the functionality, then the advantages and the application areas of the HydroChuck HD and the Uni. Then we will see some general product information. Where are the differences between HD and Uni, and what clamping options are possible. Then we will talk about the intermediate sleeves, the advantages for the customers, and what benefits do we have by using HydroChucks compared to conventional tool holding systems like shrink fit, air collets, or milling chucks. And finally, I would like to give you a short overview about the lineup. So coming then to the functionality, here we can see an image of the HydroChuck. In this case, it is the HydroChuck Uni, but the function of the HD is the same. Marked with position number 1 is the clamping screw. This screw is simply tightened with an Allen key to dead stop. Number 2, this is the clamping piston. It compresses the fluid into the oil chamber system. Then the expansion sleeve clamps the tool shank, centering the shank first, and then clamping it powerfully and uniformly over the entire lateral surface. And additionally, the fluid has a damping effect on the tool. The wear on the cutting tool is minimized, and the tool life increases by up to 40%. Number 4, this is the base body. The machine side interface is here located. This should display the tool, number 5. And the tool is clamped with the highest run out and repeat accuracy with less than 3 microns at 2.5 times D. And finally, we have the dirt grooves, which have a very important function. The high clamping force of the HydroChucks has the effect that oil or grease remains on the shank of the tool are pressed into the dirt grooves. So here in this animation, you can see again how the process works. You need nothing more than an Allen key to clamp the tool. Quickly and reliable with maximum clamping force. We don't need any additional clamping devices. It's a short setup time, which saves costs at the end. And of course, all common shaft types can be used. So one more thing, it is important to mention that the tool which we want to clamp must be pushed all the way to the rear. So the HydroChuck have a length adjustment screw which with a range of 10 millimeters, which sits here. It could happen that the holder could be damaged if the tool is only inserted at the half of the depth, and the correct clamping force would then not be ensured. So let's imagine, for example, if we clamp the tool halfway like this. So due to the enormous force that the holders have, the expansion sleeve is loaded unevenly, which could lead to deformation. So please pay attention, always push the tool to the end. Now we come to the HydroChuck HD. HD means nothing more than heavy duty. This tool holder was designed to achieve a high material removal rate with maximum clamping force, but without ignoring precision. And due to its anti-vibration effect, the HD has up to 3 times longer tool life compared to conventional tool holders. These are the possible areas of application for the HD. It is especially suitable wherever a lot of material is removed, like rough milling, heavy machining, but it's still good in areas like finishing, drilling, or reaming. So now we come to the advantages of the HydroChuck HD. There is a lot of text. Okay, I don't want to read that completely, but I would like to point out a few aspects in detail. So on the one hand, the extremely high torque transmission. We have the high radial stiffness. Due to the compact design of the HD, we can achieve very good results even with a longer tool overhang. Then high flexibility when it comes to clamping different diameters by using intermediate sleeves. The tool holders are balanced as standard with a quality of G2.5 at 25,000 RPM. And we have the excellent anti-vibration damping, which increases tool life. Then run-out accuracy with less than 3 microns at 2.5 times D. So here I have to say that some manufacturers of tool holders also advertising a good run-out accuracy, but not with not at 2.5 times D. So we are somewhere at the front of the tool holder. Then we have the fast and micron accurate tool changes in seconds without any additional equipment. And of course, we have the dirt grooves for reliable torque transmission, and all common shafts can be clamped. Coming now to the Uni tool holder is the best when it comes to price performance ratio in direct clamping with 7 interfaces and direct clamping from diameter 6 to diameter 32. The application areas of the Uni, as you can see here, the Uni is not suitable for heavy machining because of its slim shape. His strengths are in applications like drilling, reaming, or finishing. So the advantages of the Uni, they are quite similar like the advantages of the HD. We have the we are high flexible for clamping different diameters by using intermediate sleeves or direct from diameter 6 to diameter 32. We have the fast tool changes, which saves us time. We have the anti-vibration effect here as well, and all common shaft types can be clamped here. So also the balancing as standard. We have the permanent run-out repeat accuracy with less than 3 microns, less than 3 microns at 2.5 times D. And of course, with dirt grooves for reliable torque transmission. So now we have seen all the advantages of the HD and Uni, and we notice that they are quite similar, but but where are now the differences? Okay, we can see the shape is a bit different. The HydroChuck Uni is very flexible in direct clamping, and the shape is in accordance with D norm. The HydroChuck HD is optimized according to technical aspects, and the shape does not comply with D norm. It has a high torque for maximum material removal and a high radial stiffness. Both tool holders are compatible with intermediate sleeves. Here you can see the outer diameter of the HD is 1.25 times bigger than the Uni. So coming then to the clamping options, what is possible? So either we can clamp directly, so straight shank, well-down whistle notch, doesn't matter, any type of shank in accordance with DIN 1835 or DIN 6535 can be clamped, or we can use intermediate sleeves to clamp intermediate diameters. Coming then to the sleeves, they enable to clamp various of shank types and diameters by using just one tool holder. The sleeves are available in sealed coolant and peripheral coolant. Both types are suitable to all standard tool holders. And the peripheral coolant type ensures optimal coolant supply directly to the cutting edge. This is a rough overview of the lineup of the intermediate sleeves. The peripheral coolant will be available in the external diameter 8, 12, 20, and 32. And internal starts from 1 millimeter and goes up to 25. It depends on the external diameter of the sleeve. And the sealed coolant type is available in external diameter 12, 20, 25, and 32, and starts with an internal diameter of 3 millimeter and goes up to 30. Here as well, it depends on the external diameter. So peripheral or sealed coolant, which one do I use? So on the right side, you can see the sealed coolant sleeve. This means that the sleeve is closed. The coolant cannot get through the sleeve. The coolant comes through the cutting tool directly to the cutting edge. This type is ideal for drilling, for example. And the peripheral coolant on the left-hand side is slotted. The coolant flows from the outside along the tool. This is especially suitable for milling. So now we come to the advantages for the customer. The chucks are easy to handle. You can quickly change the tool in seconds without any additional devices. Here you can see there's a shrink fit device that costs around 10K. It saves energy and is CO2 neutral. The operator don't need any additional training, no waiting time, and it prevents from mistakes. And of course, we have no risk of injuries. So let's compare then to the shrink fit holders. So the hydro chucks are easy to use. We don't have heating or cooling cycles, which makes the tool changes fast and safe. There's no thermal stress. Heating up and cooling down again creates thermal stress on the tool and the holder, which reduces tool life. And longer life cycle. Lifetime can be 3 to 5 times longer than shrink fit tool holders. Then the versatility, because of the intermediate sleeves, we can clamp different diameters with just one holder, unlike shrink fit holders, which are specific to a single diameter. There's no additional equipment required. We just need an Allen key, and we have no waiting time. And then the comparison to the ER collets and milling chucks. In general, ER collets and milling chucks have a worse run-out accuracy. We have the better balancing. Hydro chucks offers a better balancing of quality G2.5 as standard. And we have the better clamping force. It ensures secure tool holding even under heavy cutting conditions. And here as well, we don't need any additional tools for clamping. No torque wrenches or assembly stations are needed. And ER collets and milling chucks have no vibration damping effect. This means we can expect better results and a longer tool life. Coming now to the last topic of the webinar, the lineup. I will not go into detail because you will find later on the whole lineup, including the sleeves in the brochure. Just roughly, the Uni will be available in 7 different interfaces, and the diameter starts from 6 millimeters and goes to diameter 32. Then the Hydro Chuck HD will be available in 6 different interfaces with diameter 12, 16, 20, and 32. But still, we are here very flexible when it comes to clamping different diameters because of the intermediate sleeves. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for your attention.